So spreadsheet applications allow you to create and manipulate spreadsheet, right? And spreadsheets basically allow you to organize data into rows and columns. I know it might seem very trivial and very simple, but this simple act of organizing data into rows and columns is very powerful, right? Because it allows you to perform some very complex operations. And that is thanks in part to the features that these spreadsheet applications come with. Most notable is functions and formulas, right? Which allow you to compute and analyze your data very quickly and even to automate that process, right? So spreadsheets are very, very powerful, although they are built from a very simple premise. Now let's look at some use cases of spreadsheet applications, right? Or spreadsheets. Now we use spreadsheets for business analysis, right? So take, for example, maybe you have a simple business, right? You are a retailer. So you can keep track of your sales and you can keep track of your inventory, right? So keeping track of your sales allows you to analyze what is happening with your business, right? You can tell which month you sold the most and even on which days that sales are highest. And then you can also tell which products are selling the most. And based on all of these insights, you can make informed business decisions, right? So using spreadsheets, you can easily and simply track your sale and your product to ensure you are making the most of your business opportunities. Also, spreadsheet applications help you to manage your project. So it doesn't matter what project management approach you are using, whether you are using Agile, Scrum, Waterfall, or Kanban. You can well, I'll leave the debate of which is best to you in the chat, right? But whichever one you're using, you can manage and monitor that with a spreadsheet, right? So spreadsheet applications help you to build interactive charts for monitoring your project and to see how things are going within the project. So you can tell if you're falling behind. You set your deadlines, you can assign people, you can set notifications, you can do a whole lot of things, right? Also, you can use spreadsheet applications for managing your administrative tasks, right? So you can use it for office administration, whether it is login, right? Keeping a log of visitors, or whether it's keeping track of all of your office supplies and taking stock of what you need, what you have and what you need, whether it is mailing or sending out memos. You can do all of that within a spreadsheet application, right? You can also manage your contract, right? You can administer contract from right within spreadsheet applications, where you can develop templates of your contract, and you can share those contracts with others securely, right? You can securely share it with others for them to sign, and you can organize everything neatly into a web. So spreadsheet applications allow you to do all that as well.